Welcome! This is Diana with Artfully Yours, and welcome to the Green Gold Challenge, where in this challenge we could have used any art medium, and the featured color has to be green gold. And I am using iPad digital. I have many years experience doing digital work on my iPad, and I use mainly the app called Procreate, but I often use sometimes other apps. In this artwork, I am using mainly Procreate, but I do use an app called Phonto also. So as you can see, I can really zoom up. I have a vision disability, and see, I can zoom up without having to use any kind of magnifying glass. When I use detailed work in traditional mediums, I would have to do that. But here, I don't need that, and all I have to do is just zoom up the imagery, and it's really great for using this feature, and it's really great for my vision disability to be able to zoom up like this. And I'm working on the eye right now, and I did the line drawing ahead of time, and here you can see all the different tools and brushes and pencils that there are. They're all in different categories, and I don't know what the name of that category is. And this one I think is called spray paints. That one was spray paints, and I'm doing kind of like white. I want the spray paint to kind of look like white glitter on the arch of her eyebrow bone. And next, I'm working on the lips. And when the color picker comes up, I'll show you how I select colors. Right now I'm probably using the airbrush tool. I use that a lot, airbrush tool. And I've done the line drawing ahead of time. And I thought this is going to be a fun character. That's the color picker. And from there, you choose your colors. It's really, it's pretty simple. Procreate itself, the basic parts of it are simple, but you can get pretty complex with it. A lot of professional artists use this. It's highly rated. It's a top-rated app, even though it's not that expensive even. It's a top-rated app for the iPad. It's probably the best drawing and painting app that you could use. I mean, you could do graphic design on it. And now the section I'm working on is the hair. And we can use many shades of green gold. Green gold in the light shade is like yellow-green. But then is also darker too. So I thought she would be a fun character to create for this. You'll see in the end, I'm going to add another character to her. So you can use the Apple Pencil for doing this as a stylus, but I mainly draw and paint with the fingers, and you can adjust the point size up and down. On the left side, you'll see those levers that go up and down, and the one on the top is for adjusting point size from small to big, and the one underneath is for adjusting opacity of the color. So it's no problem. You don't have to use a stylus to draw. I found if you're doing really super detailed stuff, yeah, you would want to use a stylus or the Apple Pencil. Like I say, probably for drawing parts of the eye, I should get my Apple Pencil out to do that, but it doesn't really present a problem if I don't. And that was a brush to put that design on her shirt. That was a tool in itself that just created that design. Now I'm just like hand drawing the flowers. Green gold is notoriously thought of as a difficult color to work with. Okay, let me jump to this. So this is the second character in my drawing. Is the frog, the prince, the frog prince. So it is notoriously a difficult color to work with, but actually I don't feel it is, and I enjoyed doing this challenge. And you can move, as you can see, you can move your image around like it's a piece of paper. You can actually move it up, and zoom it up, zoom it out. Here I am attempting to create like a gold crown, and I'm just doing the base color first, and then the highlights help make it look more gold. And then again, that's the airbrush tools. This one, that's the illumination tools, where you can get stars, and that's an illumination tool that makes it like really bright white. And then I'm going to choose the star for inside each jewel. And then outlining with black. So I've outlined the frog completely, and now I'm bringing back the layers one at a time, the whole picture, but I had wanted to work on the frog by itself. And now here is a almost the finished picture, not quite. Well, is it the finished picture? Yeah, that's the finished picture with the sign that says I had to kiss a lot of frogs, ... and because that's supposed to make you think of I had to kiss a lot of frogs before I met my Prince Charming. Which that really is the story of my life, really. And then if you can see the kiss on its face, the kiss mark on its face. So thank you so much for watching, and please watch my other videos here, and have a great creative day.